Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just had come into stock this absolutely lovely top of the range Premium Plus Mercedes A-Class AMG Sport. Front park distance control, diamond cut alloy wheels, finished in white. It's got the lovely tilt slide factory panoramic roof, reverse park sensors with a camera as well, full AMG body styling with the twin exhausts. You get the deeper diffuser, absolutely looks stunning. White with the panoramic roof, perfect option. As you can see inside, the boot area is lovely with the parcel shelf. We do video and picture all our cars outside, so get better light, but for viewing they're kept in our indoor showroom, so you can view them in any weather. It's got the lovely exclusive AMG half leather Alcantara red stitch piping trim. It's got electric memory seats, full electric windows, electric mirrors, push start, got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 3-stage heated seats for passenger and driver, climate control, USBs. We've got satellite navigation, full media pack including Bluetooth, reverse camera, and obviously the tilt slide sunroof. At DJH, with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.